Hi everybody, welcome back to CJ's Keto Kitchen. So next Sunday is the Super Bowl. So we thought in honor of the Super Bowl and football in general, because obviously I'm not going for either the Patriots or the Eagles. I am supporting my home team. But we are going to be making called a Million-Dollar-Dip. Now I have never personally made this, my sister has made it, but it's sweeping the internet. So I'm going to attempt to make it, and what better way to provide snacks, either for just your family or if your friends are coming over, than wings and a dip. So please come with us, and we're gonna make some party food. So we're going to start with whipped cream cheese, and you need 8 ounces, and it can be any brand. This is Great Value brand. And I've let mine sit out and get even a little softer. Whipped cream cheese is pretty soft anyway, but now it's quite soft, so it should make it pretty easy to stir, hopefully. And then we need a cup of mayonnaise. And I'm just going to eyeball this so that I don't have to put mayonnaise in a measuring cup, but you can totally do that if you want to. But we need a cup of mayonnaise. And to this, we are going to add 5 chopped green onions. Two cups of shredded cheese, and you can use any kind you want. I got sharp because I wanted it to be pungent. And if you get the already pre-shredded, I guess we need to turn it this way. If you get the already pre-shredded, it is 2 cups, so you can just dump the whole bag in there. We also need 1/2 cup of bacon chopped. And I once again took the easy way, and these are bacon crumbles, and they're from Costco. But it's 100% real bacon. There's nothing else in them but bacon. So I'm going to put 1/2 cup in. Now the special ingredient that is supposed to make this the $1,000,000 part is a cube of crushed garlic. And the recipe specifically calls for this Duro, I think is how you would say it, because I believe the T would be silent. But anyway, it is frozen crushed garlic in cubes, and you can find it at Trader Joe's in the freezer department. And we're going to need 1 cube of this, and apparently you don't even need to thaw it. You can just pop in whatever you need. So we need 1 cube of that. And I'm gonna break that up just a little bit. So when I stir everything around, hopefully it will go in very well. Now we're just gonna stir this all together. Make sure everything gets well incorporated. And it's quite soft because pretty much everything we're using is very soft. Now you are supposed to be able to serve this immediately, but you can of course cover and refrigerate it till the next day if you want the flavors to meld even better. And you can serve this with pork rinds, and celery are good low-carb options. But if you are serving this with other people, of course, you can set out chips or crackers or pita or whatever you'd like to eat it with. Thanks for making snacks with us today. Hopefully you have a satisfactory ending to the football season and whatever team you want to win does. Please come back and join us to make more delicious food. We upload twice a week, and both recipes and just ketogenic content. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when we put up new videos. And come back and make more food with us. Thanks for joining us on CJ's Keto Kitchen. Bye. You're gonna be able to hear that.
Sarah hard at work, reviewing a recipe to make some YouTube magic.
You're a very silly man.